welcome to another episode of Trains At. Today we're at Attenborough on the Midland Main Line. So you're going to be seeing services by East Midlands trains, cross country and possibly some freight as well. So let's see what shall turn up. The weather conditions are quite lovely today, as in the sun's out. So let's see what shall turn up then. Okay, we've got 156 on the way. To Lincoln. Okay, we've got Meridian on the way. 222 101 222 101 to Nottingham. Okay, we've got Meridian on the way. Two 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 oh 116. Okay, we've got 170 on the way. One 171 to Cardiff Central via Derby. So this is the first episode of Trains At. This is what's to come for Trains At. I'm not ending the episode here, but the station I'll regularly be filming at is Spondon. Sometimes here. Rare chance I'll be filming at Lichfield Trent Valley and also Marston Green as well. And the barriers are going down. So yeah, I'll mostly be filming at Spondon, and I'll sometimes film here. So, right, let's see what this train is. Okay, we've got 170 on the way. 175.20 to 171.11. Okay, we've got 156, but with a 153 stopped at the station. And now at 153 is now departing. Five 6406 and 153.311. 153383. Okay, we got HST on the way. Okay, we got 15 something on the way. 158. I will continue the video when it gets closer. Or it's closer now. One 158806. Here goes 158806. Okay, we got 170 on the way. I think we got another train. Okay, we've got HST on the way. Couldn't read it! Okay, we have a 170. To Nottingham. That's the end of Trains Out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the first one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.